Planets are formed through a process called planet formation, which occurs within protoplanetary disks around young stars. Here's a general overview of the process. Formation of a protostar. The process begins with the collapse of a molecular cloud composed of gas and dust. Gravitational forces cause the cloud to contract, and as the material gathers at the center, it forms a protostar. This central region becomes hotter and denser over time. Protoplanetary disk formation. As the protostar forms, the remaining gas and dust in the surrounding region flatten into a rotating disk due to the conservation of angular momentum. This disk is known as a protoplanetary disk or circumstellar disk. Accretion of material. Within the protoplanetary disk, small solid particles, dust grains, collide and stick together due to electrostatic forces and other interactions. Over time, these particles grow larger through a process called accretion. Larger bodies called planetesimals form as a result of this process. Planetesimal formation. Planetesimals are larger bodies, ranging from a few meters to kilometers in size. These planetesimals continue to collide and merge, gradually growing in size. The gravitational pull of these planetesimals starts to shape the overall structure of the protoplanetary disk. Formation of protoplanets. As planetesimals continue to collide and merge, some of them become large enough to have significant gravitational attraction. These bodies are called protoplanets. Protoplanets can continue to grow by attracting nearby material through their gravity. Clearing of the disk. Protoplanets that grow large enough begin to clear out their orbital paths within the protoplanetary disk. They sweep up or scatter smaller planetesimals and dust, carving gaps or regions of lower density within the disk. Differentiation and final planet formation. Protoplanets that reach a certain size and mass may start to undergo differentiation, where heavier elements sink to the center and lighter elements accumulate toward the surface. This process results in the formation of distinct layers, similar to how Earth's core, mantle, and crust are structured. Final characteristics. The final characteristics of a planet, such as its size, composition, atmosphere, and orbital properties, depend on a variety of factors, including the composition of the original protoplanetary disk, the distance from the star, and the interactions with other nearby bodies. It's important to note that the process of planet formation is complex and can vary based on the specific conditions of the protoplanetary disk and the star it surrounds. This general outline provides an overview of the key stages involved in forming planets within our universe.